Well, what do we have here? Look who came into my backyard today. These guys. They're from next door and they came in unexpected. And I fully didn't expect them to come in. Oh wait. A little bit. Out you guys come. Look at that. These two have been in here for a while, ever since I came home from school. Look at that. Yeah, that's my camera. I have no idea what their names are. They're from next door, there. Now they're just staring at me. What's up? I'm the baby dinosaur. Yes, ow. Look at me. Yes, that's why it's a good idea for you to say there, baby dinosaur. So let's give them some treats. Alright, who's hungry? Aren't you gonna have some? Aren't you? This guy's okay. This one, the one I'm stroking right now is a female. This one's a male. I believe that one's a Labrador. I believe this one's a Labrador / Husky. Weird, I know, but it's true. It's Wednesday today, 4th of June 2009. Alright, let's see if this guy wants some. Oi, you've already had some. Yeah. Good one. Oi! No. Go on, go down, go on. No. These treats are for later. So I suppose for them to get back next door, I have to put them back in here. Yes, that includes you. Back in. Come on, you two. Come in. What does my dad do to get them in here? I know. Treats. Look at this. You want it? Go and get it. Suckers. Oh, there we go. There. Now they're going to be in here until next door comes back from work. That's my dad talking to them now. This has been a Baby Spinosaurus production.